We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if we refer to our analysis in my last video when the price was within this move, we mentioned about the discuss different possibility. And as you can see, the price moved, but we didn't get any trade setup. And right now we have a correction. If we want to look for trade, the only way is to put our entry somewhere around zero point 0.1 above here. Okay, and what we want in case the price sharply continue from here, but it depends on the traders whether they want to put an entry here to get the entry by to get the trade by having entry above the stop or not, because it's very risky. What we want the price sharply break and continue the price tag. We see it's not moving within 1 or 2 or maximum 2 hours, we take out the trade, because mostly if the price tag and break, if we refer to the indicators, we will see the divergence. That's why buying by having entry above this is really risky, and it depends on the traders. It's not a really good idea, but this is the only way we can look for trade, because if you refer to them in 15 minutes, there was no the only way to really look for trade, since because when we have been discussing about how to look for trade, the price was within this move. The only way if anyone get the trade from here, which is not really good trade setup, but whoever get the trade from here, at least move their stop loss to break even and just let it go. And if we want to look at this one, because right now we see we have a flat made, this is the start of the up move, or this one turn to a flat as a 1 2 3 4, one more drop before we get the next. And even if we get a trade set up, the only way, I mean, if you want to look for trade, the only way is to put our entry above here. And as I mentioned, what we want in case the price sharply break and continue is very risky and is not really good trade. Okay, because after if the price tag and break, mostly we see the divergence. Then it depends on the traders. And what we want, if the price tag, we want the price break and continue the price tag, we see it's not moving within 1 or maximum 2 hours, we take out the trade. And we want to see what's the next and how we can look for higher time frame. The only thing is if we get any trade set up, we take the trade, and we want to see the breakout 0.12, almost 12 cent. And if I move to forward chart, based on forward chart, we're looking at this correction. That means still if we get any trade for buy, this is what we're looking for. We don't have anything to discuss more than what we have a correction. And even if we want to look for trade, the only way is either we wait for the breakout of the stop as a sharp move flag, we take the trade, or put our entry above here. Then it depends on the traders how they want to look for trade, because it's really quite risky. Then in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.